Don't throw papaya seeds in the trash before watching this video. I am sure that after seeing the benefits that papaya seeds can do for your body, you will never want to throw it away again. As you may know, papaya is very good for improving the functioning of the intestine and digestive system. After all, it is rich in fiber, minerals and vitamins. But did you know that eating papaya seeds has numerous health benefits? That's right, papaya seeds are excellent for constipation, for the proper functioning of the intestine. In addition, they fight parasites and help the quality of the skin and hair. People, I would like to pass on a message to you that is in the Bible. In the book of James 5 verse 13 says that, if any of you is suffering, pray. That is, the power of prayer is incredible and can certainly help you overcome the challenges of this life. Reflect on this message, and meanwhile I will show you the top 5 benefits of the papaya seed to your health. So go write everything down. People, only those who are interacting with us are receiving our videos. So, leave a comment below, or the city that is watching us. That way I can also send you a special hug in the next video. If you haven't yet, then go ahead and share and leave in the comments the city where you are watching us. Benefit number 1, they fight parasites. Papaya seeds are rich in papaya and carapine, an enzyme and a substance that can strengthen the gastrointestinal tract and rid our body of worms for vitas, and they can even help prevent cancer, especially bowel cancer. Number 2, they regulate the bowel. Because of the high amount of resistant fiber, they help regulate the entire digestive system, give a feeling of satiety, and prevent gas formation. Number 3, detoxify the liver. They have detoxifying properties that are especially beneficial for cleansing the liver. However, if you are under treatment for cirrhosis, consult your doctor first. Number 4, improve circulation. They have fibrin, a substance that helps stimulate blood circulation. It is able to reduce the risk of clot formation and improve the quality of cells. Number 5, antibacterial and antiviral. Papaya seeds are stages to treat and cure various infections. They fight bacteria such as the famous and coli, Staphylococcus and Salmonella. Number 6, give life to the hair. Help in the growth, strength and shine of the hair, because it contains a large amount of vitamin A, which helps to promote the body's natural oil. Tag a friend who would like to receive this tip. It was very nice of you to stay up to this point with me. Your company was very important. Help me to bring this video to more people. May God bless you and all your family. If you like natural health and home remedies like this video, please like and follow the page. Bye bye.